Alright guys, just a quick tips video. Sitting out here filling up 3-to-1 sugar jars. I don't feed a lot of sugar during the winter, but I keep a little bit out. If it's warm enough and they fly, at least they're getting something. They don't really have to worry with condensing it down because it's 3-to-1. But I've also got another video, and I'll link it in the description below, talking about why there's certain tips you need to know about feeding during the winter. Pollen and sugar water, which right up there is a pollen feeder. There's another one around on the other side of the workshop, but this right here is the main thing for the day. This is why you do not leave a sugar jar out that still has any left in it overnight when you're feeding 3-to-1. It goes back to being a solid brick of sugar. Normally I take it in, but yesterday we had a bunch of storms went through, and I just never got around to taking it back in because it was raining. And guess what? They didn't eat all of it during the time of day during the sun. So obviously we had a little bit left. I don't fill them up very much. Today I'm actually out here a little late, but that's the quick tip of the day. Make sure, if you're going to feed 3-to-1 in wintertime, to take them back in the house if they don't eat all of it, or take them back in the house anyway, as I said in the other video, so you don't have bees trying to guard the sugar jars during the night and freeze, because it got down to around 30 last night. But that's the quick tip. Like and subscribe. Got a visitor. So we can get her in. Nope, she left. Like and subscribe. Hit that share button when you get on Facebook. Thanks for watching.